Dr. Amelie McAndrews, and today I'm going to be discussing an equine oral exam. Equine dentistry is no longer just floating teeth or removing sharp enamel points. An oral exam is a critical part of equine dentistry today. Only a veterinarian is licensed and trained to do this exam. And any dentistry done without an exam, this includes floating, is missing a very important part. I perform an oral exam on every case I'm presented, whether it's a routine dentistry float or an advanced referral case. During this exam, I look for everything from periodontal or gum disease to fractured teeth to potentially fatal infections to cancer. I always do a complete oral exam because I don't want to miss anything, and this is my role as a veterinarian, is to make sure nothing is missed. So an equine oral exam is performed by first listening to the horse's heart, getting a brief physical, and also a history from the owner if the horse has been having any problems eating or performing. After that, an external exam is performed. Palpate the mandible, palpate the lymph nodes, much as your dentist would do. I check the front of the head for symmetry. I smell the horse's breath, both from their nostrils and from their mouth, to check for signs of infection. Then I take an initial look at their incisors to make sure there's no major problems there, and then I place this lightweight aluminum speculum on the horse's mouth. This allows me to look inside the mouth. And I use mirrors or this nifty tool called an oral endoscope to look at all the surfaces of the mouth. The endoscope allows me to record the exam for later reference and also is a great teaching tool. Once I've evaluated the horse's entire mouth, we discuss any treatment that may be needed with the owner, including floating. Equine dentistry is no longer just floating sharp points, removing the sharp points. So much more anatomy in the horse's mouth that gets completely missed, completely overlooked if you don't do a thorough exam. If you don't look, then you won't find it. So even if it's not a problem that we decide to address right now, to know that it's there and to be able to follow it on your horse through the years is tremendous and can prevent a lot of bigger problems from happening by addressing a smaller problem with hopefully a smaller solution